Well, hello there. This is Erin Holman, and I am doing a video for my agents today. I had a couple calls. I had tried to create this video earlier, and it sounded like I was Darth Vader. It was like really slow and kind of messed up. So technology's fun. So today I had a couple agents that called me and they're trying to sign up for ePay, and I thought, okay, I need to create that longer video again about how to sign up for ePay. So that's what I'm going to do. So the first thing you're always going to do when you want to sign up for ePay is you're going to go to mycbdesk.com. So desk is kind of like the new NRT gateway, if you remember that. It's the new portal we have for everything you need to do with Coldwell Banker, and it's mycbdesk.com. So I went out there, and you're going to sign in with your user ID and password. Now, if you're signing in and it's been a while and you can't get in, remember we have a 24/7 help desk, and they're really the best play. You can call them up while you're trying to sign in, and they will reset your password or whatever you need to do. So if you can't get from where you just were to where you are right now, you just call 877-678-4357. That's our help desk. Again, 877-678-4357. If you can't get from where you were logging in to here. Okay, so now we're in my CB desk, and wow, there's a lot of stuff there, right? So you're gonna look for the tile that says ePay and Express Pay. So, and I don't know if you know this, but you can move these tiles around so that you can make it your first one. So look through all these tiles of all the applications we have and find the ePay one. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna click it. So you're gonna click that button. When you click the button, you're gonna be into ePay. It's gonna say what your current balance is, okay? And you could just pay it right then, just to get it, get Erin off the bad girl list in terms of my accounts receivable for the office. But we want you to really set up auto pay, okay? So when you, let's go into auto pay. So you see right here where it says auto pay on. Let's go into auto pay because that's what you need to be on. So auto pay status needs to be on, okay? And you need to have a payment method in there, and that's going to be your credit or debit card. If you didn't want to use a credit or debit card, you could get like one of those reloadable cards and use that in here and just load it up with enough money. But most people are used to using this kind of stuff. So, I don't know if I were you, if I would opt out of the email notifications. Now, in your manage payment methods, you know, what you would do is, I already have one here, but you would add a new payment method, and you're going to pick whether it's a credit or debit card or an ACH check, which is like one of those automatic checks. Do the credit or debit, and you're going to type your first name, your last name, your address. You've probably done this before when you've used a credit card or a debit card for something. The city, the state, and then the zip code and all that, and then you're going to put your credit card number in here. Now, I'm not going to put my actual credit card number in here because this is a public video, but go ahead and put that in here and then hit add, okay, and it will add that method. And let's say that you had a method in here that you want to delete. You can delete your old payment method, but you can't do it until you've added a new one. So like, let's say that you had an old card in here. Like, let's say that this card 39 ending in 3981. Let's say that that credit card had expired and I'd gotten a new one. You have to enter the new one before you can delete the old one, okay? So you're gonna add that new credit card, and then you're gonna delete the credit card that expired. So after you add your credit card, you are going to make sure that auto pay right here says auto pay on, okay? You want auto pay turned on. So you have to enter your credit card information, and then you have to turn auto pay on, and then it'll be current every month. A couple quick things. It charges you around the 27th of every month for that month that just passed. So let's say the month of October is coming up. Around October 7th, you will see the charge for October appear in here. So if you logged in here on the 1st of October and you were all current, it would say current balance 0. Then around the 7th of October, it would say current balance equals, and it would be either 45.85, depending on what type of situation you have. It would say that's your balance, and that would show up around the 7th of every month for that month. So the $45 that shows up on October 7th is for the month of October. We don't swipe the card or do the draft off the card until around the 27th of every month. So that's okay. That's how it's supposed to work. So around, again, you start off the beginning of the month not owing anything for that month. Then around the 7th, we bill you for that month, and the balance will show up here. And then on the 27th, they're around every month. That's when we actually debit or withdraw from the card or charge the card. So that's how it works. And again, that's for that month, not for the next month. It's for the month that just passed. So this is your ePay. And you can see your balance here if you have one. You can also go to your activity since last statement, payment due. You can go to every single month statement. You can go year to date, last calendar year. So remember, this is tax deductible. So you're going to want to make sure you're deducting this from your taxes. So you could come out here and get your statement and make sure you're deducting this on your taxes. So anyways, I hope that was helpful. I hope that now you feel comfortable to go in here and click the pay button, enter your credit card information, and turn your auto pay to on by going like this, off, on, like that. Okay, so thank you very much for doing this, and I hope this was helpful. All right, you should be all good.